Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your Dolby Atmos speaker are experiencing a lot of buzzing or audio related issues. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung device manager, and then click mo lang tong open. So dito sa device manager, ang next step ay sinig mo lang dito yung audio inputs and outputs. So i-click mo lang tong arrow na to para mag-expand. And then kailangan mo lang sinig dito yung speaker. So i-click mo lang yan. Right click ka lang. And then sinig mo lang dito yung update driver. So i-click lang natin yan. And then pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. So sinig ka lang dito sa dalawa. And then, sinig lang natin tong search automatically and then click lang natin yan and then wait natin. Okay, so the best drivers for your device are already installed. Okay, so ang next step, close lang natin to and then dito lang sa search menu and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung settings and then again, click open. And then next step dito sa settings, dito lang sa system and then dito sa right side, ay select mo lang dito yung sound, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa sound, scroll down. And then dito sa advanced. And then kailangan mo lang select dito yung all sounds devices. So i-click lang natin yan. And then dito sa all sounds devices, under dito sa output devices, select mo lang dito yung speakers. So i-click lang natin yan. And then dito sa speakers, scroll down lang tayo. And then dito sa audio enhancement, kailangan lang natin itong i-turn off. Okay, and then pati dito sa spatial audio, kailangan na pa-turn off siya. Right, so ang next step, close lang natin dito. And then dito lang sa search menu. And then kailangan mo lang i-type yung control panel. And then again, click mo tong open. Ang next step, dito lang sa category, click mo lang tong arrow na to. And then kailangan mo lang select dito yung large icon para makita mo lahat yung settings. And then next step ay, kailangan mo lang select dito yung sounds. And then pop up itong sounds. Ang next step, select mo lang dito yung speakers. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung properties. And then, dito sa kanyang speaker properties, dito lang sa taas, ay select mo lang dito yung advanced. So, click mo lang yan. And then, next step, dito lang sa gitna, makikita mo dito yung exclusive mode. So, kailangan mo lang i-uncheck tong allow applications. So, uncheck mo lang yan. And then, click mo lang tong okay. Alright, so, ang next step, after dito, and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Dolby Atmos speaker audio buzzing problem. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.